Mollon PRO Professionnel.
Mat the nailplate for sterilization and get rid of the dust. Degrease the nailplate with a cotton swab moistened with the hydrator. Then, depending on the type of the tile, apply adhesive preparation, acid-free bonder or acid primer. Apply a luxury Retouch Base coat. It's a dense base designed to strengthen the nailplate, even out its color, repair and constructions. Start the application from the middle of the nailplate, then thoroughly spread the product without flooding the cuticles. Cure under UV lamp for 120 seconds or LED lamp for 90 seconds. Apply luxury Bio-Keratin color coat of your choice. Thoroughly spread the product without flooding the cuticles, remembering to secure the free edge. Cure under UV lamp for 120 seconds or LED lamp for 90 seconds. Then apply the second layer of the color in the same way and protect it in the lamp. Secure your styling with luxury Bio-Keratin top coat no wipe. Top does not leave the dispersion layer. Secure it in the UV lamp for 120 seconds or LED lamp for 90 seconds. At the end, apply and massage in cuticle area a little bit of olive. Choose one from rich offer of Mollon PRO.
Mollon PRO Professionnel.